प्यारे बच्चों, अस्सलामु अलैकुम। आज हम बात कर रहे हैं 10th क्लास के मैथमेटिक्स साइंस की। और आज मैं आपको गेस बताऊंगा मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट शॉर्ट क्वेश्चंस का, जो कि यूनिट नंबर 7 और 8 में मौजूद हैं। सबसे पहला इम्पोर्टेंट शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन है, हाउ मैनी मिनट्स आर देयर इन 2 राइट एंगल्स। Next one is define obtuse angle and represent its figure. Define projection of a point. Find or when L is equal to 56 centimeter and value of theta is 45 degrees. Define an angle. What is radian measure of the central angle of an arc 50 meters long on the circle of having a radius of 25 meters? Next question is, define acute angle. The next one is, prove that 1 minus sine square theta into 1 plus tan square theta is equal to 1. Next one is, define coterminal angle and find the area of the sector of a circle of radius 16 centimeter if the angle at the center is 60 degrees. अगला मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट सवाल है, what is meant by zero dimension? And the last but not the least most important question is, in a triangle ABC, A is equal to 17 centimeters, B is equal to 15 centimeters and C is equal to 8 centimeters. We are to find measurement angle B. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel. Also like and share this video with your friends. Thanks.